Hello. Hey everybody. Sorry, I had a little technical difficulties earlier. I'm back. Okay. My name is Sandy, in case some of you don't know, and those that are watching will be watching the replay. I really want to just kind of talk to you about entrepreneurship. I have my own company here. It's called Sandy's Management Services, and when it comes to your business, if you don't have your management part of it in place, then you can't have success. You won't be successful in it. And since we're coming up into the 4th of July weekend, I just kind of want to talk to you about having for us independence. July 4th and entrepreneurship, they both have something in common, and it's called independence. Both of them have independence. 4th of July is Independence Day, where they sign, you know the story, where they sign, the 13 colonies signed the Declaration of Independence. Well, you can be independent as well. You can be independent in your entrepreneurship. So I don't know how many of you out there are thinking about having your own business, or hey, Tisha, how you doing? Hey, Tommy Gresham. Hey, Leon, how you doing? Thank you guys for coming on, and it's just going to be a quick scope. I'm just going to give you 5 reasons to write a plan, and that's something that we all need if we're thinking about entrepreneurship. Okay, and just to let you guys know, I have my own business. I write business plans, and I do anything that, most of the things that comes along with writing a business plan. And I'm your business coach for your business planning. I have about 10 years basically writing plans for just personal individual writing on a one-on-one basis, not really just taking up a whole group of people. But now I have branched out, and I've reached out, and I've started writing plans for my for more people that have been asking me to do it, and they say, why don't you just do it in a business? So on the 23rd of July, I'm going to have a workshop at the Residence Inn. It's going to be on March, I think that is March, Churchill Road, right behind the YMCA on Wheeler Road. Hey girl, how you doing, Nancy? Thank you for joining. Yeah, but I just want to talk to y'all real quick. I know the day's Sunday, probably everybody just eating, getting out of church, or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to give you 5 reasons why you need to write a plan. And tomorrow I'm going to come back on, and we're going to talk a little bit more about the 4th of July and the 4th of July. Thank you, Ms. Jenkins. All righty. Thank you, guys. Okay. Now, first reason, the 5 reasons to write a plan. The first reason is you need to work through each idea to make sure nothing is forgotten. Okay, let me just explain that real quick. Okay, when you want to open up a business, you need to make sure you cross all your T's and you dot all your I's. Because if you don't, then you'll just kind of like be mediocre or just barely getting by. Trust me, I've had 2 salons. I've opened 2 salons, and I've run them, and had to make a decision when to close one down. So, now, number 2, make sure your business is feasible. Make sure you do your due diligence. That means you count the costs, and you know what you're selling. First of all, when you count the costs, you need to make sure that your cost is you got everything together when it comes to your costs. You need to make sure how much everything's going to be. I mean, down to the supplies, all the supplies that you have. Anything, pen, paper, whatever the case may be. Everything, you need to have it written down, because if you don't, then it's just the little things that add up, and then you'll kind of be off your budget, or you won't, somewhere you go lacking. Okay, and even in sales, you ought to just kind of take your sales, take whatever you're selling, or be creative and kind of write down, brainstorm of what you may need to sell for your business. That's another way, and that's why that's so important too. So that way you can maximize everything, in your business. Because even my mentor have told me, there is a back door when you have a business. There is things that you can sell in the back door that can keep your business up and running when you have like seasonal things that go on in your business. Let's say, for instance, someone that has a auto mechanic business. Certain times of the year, things may be slower than others. And let's say if a person has a business, there's peak seasons for all businesses. Let's say if a business is, for instance, with me, there's a hairstylist. We know January and February, those are slow times. So we need to be trying to kind of boosting up more product. We kind of need to be educating our clients to make sure that they know why it's important to kind of buy from us on the back end. And that's another thing you need to do. You need to make sure you educate your clients, you educate your customers. Let's just say, for instance, even somebody that has a carpet cleaning business, they need to educate the clients, because carpet, believe it or not, everybody's going into hardwood floors and all that kind of stuff, but there are people, carpet cleaners, there are people that have thank you so much. There are people that have carpet, and that still have carpet, and the folks that have the carpet need to know why they need to get it cleaned every 6 months. What kind of infections, or what kind of those moths and whatever else that that can get into your carpet. So if you educate a client on that, then they'll say, oh, I never thought of it that way. So you got to be creative, and you got to put it down in your plan to make sure that everybody know about why they need your service. Okay, number 3, it improves your chances of getting along. Now, I know everybody don't want to get along. Everybody go into business sometime and they say, I want a little mom and pop business. I don't need to go to the bank and borrow the money. I'm just going to open up this little side hustle thing. Well, yeah, sometimes that's good too. But if you really want to grow in this, and let me tell y'all, the opportunities are just beyond your imagination. It really is, because now even there are, let's say, SBA give loans now to those that qualify. Of course, you got to qualify, and guess what? You got to write a business plan. So that's why I'm here to help you. Okay? Now, as I was doing some research a few weeks ago, dealing with the SBA, they have they have different kind of programs and plans for people that just want to get out there and start their business. You will be amazed that even the ones that are veterans, they even have business plan for those that just really getting out there and just kind of planning for, let's say, not even a big company, but just say something that they may want to transition into, senior citizens, certain kind of things dealing with senior citizens. They have all kind of loans for people that are just trying to do just basically a target niche, like product, just a certain kind of product. And let's say, for instance, if you got a business and you're going to sell oxygen tanks, I'm just coming up with something, you need to make sure you've studied, you did your market research on lung cancer in the area, the age of the people that get lung cancer, all kind of stuff. They're just saying that they really they give loans for even more target people. Hey, thank you, Wanda, for coming in. Hey, that's awesome. Hey, thank y'all. Hey, Mario, thank you. Thank y'all. Okay, and number 4, clarify where outside help is needed. Clarify when you need outside help. And that means when you need to employ somebody. You have a business and you want that business to grow, because I don't know nobody out there that is in business and don't want it to grow. Hey Wanda, I don't know anybody out there that don't want their business to grow. Now, everybody want it. When you're in business, you want it to grow, because guess what? You want to make money, right? Okay, that's why we're in it. A lot of times we're in it because it's our passion, but at the same time, we don't want to be, guess what? We don't want to be a charity cake. We don't want to be doing charity all the time, right? Facebook. Okay. All right, y'all. Okay. Y'all give me thumbs up if y'all can still see me, because something happened to my screen. Give me thumbs up if y'all can still see me. Give me thumbs up, please. Okay. And number 5 is conduct market research that gives your business that unique edge. Just like, okay, thank you. Just like I said earlier, for as marketing. Yeah, you want to make sure. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay, number 5 is conduct marketing research to give your business that unique edge. You want to make sure that you are in the business to make money. And guess what? You got to know your market. You got to know your market. You got to do marketing. You got to know your market. You got to know who is your target market. I don't care what nobody say. You cannot serve everybody when you're doing it. You can't serve everybody when you're in business, because you only have, you got a certain amount of people you need to, you are qualified, you know, you really, I won't say qualified to serve, but you should be qualified to serve. You know, you got a certain niche market that you should be able to serve. Okay, now those are the 5 reasons, but I'm gonna recap and I'm gonna go over. Anybody have any comments before I just recap real quick and let you guys go? Because I know it's a Sunday afternoon and you can be doing something. Hey, Mike. All right. Exactly. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. Alrighty. Let me go over the 5 reasons why you need to write a plan. Work through each idea and make sure nothing is forgotten. Number 2, make sure business is feasible. Do your due diligence. Number 3, improve chances of getting a business loan or loan. And that can be from family and anybody. You know, let's say, for instance, you got an investor that want to be able to give you money. If you don't have a plan and he don't know where you're going, he ain't gonna give you no money. They ain't giving you no money. Alrighty. Number 4, clarify where outside help is needed. And number 5, conduct market research to give your business that unique edge. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, Desha. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank y'all for being here. I appreciate this. I'm in business to open up a trucking company. What is out there for VA? I'll check it out one. I'll get with you later on. Okay, I'll check it out and I'll get with you later. But yeah, but guys, I'm gonna also let you know I have a website up, and y'all just take a look at my website. Can y'all see that? Y'all take a look. It's bit.ly/bizcoachsandy. This is my website. Y'all take a look at that for me when y'all get a chance, and I think it's on my my Facebook page. And also, it's called Sandy Management Services. And what I do is I write business plan. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome so much. Thanks for joining, Karen. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, you're welcome. And tomorrow, and if you guys have any questions or anything, if y'all have any questions, when you go on my website, you'll see the contact page. Just email me and I can answer some questions for you. You know, and it'll be private. And another thing, when I'm working with anybody, when I'm doing this, it's strictly between us. I sign a confidentiality form with you guys, because guess what? When your business is your business, you discussing your business ideas with me, that's sacred to me. That's personal, because I know what it's like to be out there and trying. Hey, Nene. Hey, Aaron. How you doing, Aaron? Hey, girl. All right, thank you guys for coming. Yeah, but y'all missed all. I went over 5 reasons to write a plan. 5 reasons to write a plan, and that's a business plan, even a personal plan. But 5 reasons to write a plan. That's what I talked about today. And also, y'all check out my website. It's bit.ly/BIZcoachsandy. Y'all take a look at it and tell me what you did. Thank you, Bishop Hill. Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed. Thank y'all, and y'all have a beautiful Sunday. And thank you for joining. Thank you for watching my scope. My scope. Thank you for watching my Facebook Live. Thank you. Hey, Murdis. How you doing, lady? I haven't seen you in years. Thank you. But guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. And like I said, I know you got a lot going on today. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you guys for being on my Facebook Live. I appreciate you. And if there's anything I can do to help you out, July 23rd at the Residence Inn. It's behind the YMCA on Wheeler Road. I'm gonna have a Launch Your Dream seminar, and I'm gonna get more into detail, and I have different little packages and stuff, and I'm trying to get some guest speakers to come in, like maybe a couple of attorneys or even people that you're gonna need when you're out there trying to start your business. And y'all do it the right way. Don't just try to throw up something, because I mean, it's so much. You know, you want to leave your children, your children and your grandchildren. Y'all want to leave them something. Leave them some wealth. And planning it out and doing it the way it's supposed to be done, it makes all the difference. Hey, much love to you too. It makes all the difference in the world. And you can be so much more successful if you just plan it out and do it right. You'll be amazed at what God has for you. God said, write the vision and make it plain. And I'm the one here to help you. Isn't that just great? See how God love y'all. See, He put the gift in me to help you get to the next level. Wow. God is good. I'm going to leave y'all with that, okay? All right. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.